Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the respond with text for your incoming call on the iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro. Now first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. In settings, we want to go down and tap on phone. Next, go down and tap on respond with text. And in here, it has some default. Sorry, I can't talk right now. I'm on my way. Or can I call you later? Those are the default. Now to override the default, you can tap on the text field right here, and you can put in your own respond with text. So I'm going to put in respond with text for now, and then I'll tap on the back key to go back. And now if I give myself a call again, and we can see the changes that we have just updated. So if I tap on message, you can see at the bottom here it's a respond with text, and that is the text that I have just put in, replacing the default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.